Hi friends, it's Janet Caleri. How are you? I help people just like you liberate your potential through curiosity and a smartphone camera. Today is day 20 of Mental Health Awareness Month, and yesterday we spoke about the profound question, what is option 3? And I'm going to continue that conversation right now. Creation requires polarity and duality. We wouldn't exist without it. However, we do not have to live in duality in our minds. Life isn't solely about this or that, bad or good, tall, short, black, white, right or wrong. It's about perspective, and we must own that, because every moment we're looking through our own context using our primary 5 senses, and we form narratives which are frequently inaccurate, by the way. And what often ensues is anxiety, frustration, resistance, attachment, etc. So asking the question, what is option 3? It shifts us out of duality and opposition and into a space of curiosity and co-creation with the universe. It's really cool. It invites us to detach from what we think is the best path, and it opens us to magical possibilities we may never have imagined. So the next time you're frustrated, stuck, anxious, overwhelmed, use this question to move into calm and creativity. Calm and creativity is where it's at. That's where the answers are. And remember, do not expect an answer right away. And especially do not expect an answer that you've already thought about. It could be, but just release your expectations. Stay in playful curiosity with the universe. It's a really fun experiment. So experiment with this and follow me.